Hello, friends. Let's go on a counting adventure with our animal friends. Ready? Let's start. Count with me. 1,
Now me. 2,
Here I go. 3,
Playing. 4,
Woof woof. 5,
great job. Let's keep counting.
we. 6,
Quack, quack. 7,
yum yum. 8,
squawk. 9, toot. 10,
Now let's try counting backward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's continue counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Amazing counting, friends. You counted all the way to 20. Shall we practice these worksheets? Check the link below.